If you are searching for a business model that actually works, then this video is for you. But this business model is not just a shortcut. You need to put in the work. Before I start this video, I want to talk to you about something. It is not possible for you to just not do the work and think that a business model is going to work. You need to put in the work, put in the effort. It's not going to happen. Nothing is going to happen by just watching video after video and coming to conclusions without even trying the business model. So, after you watch this video, make sure to take action on this business model because you have already watched many videos and you've not taken action. Just assumed that this business model is not going to work. So, let's get into the video without wasting any time. So, the first step that you need to do is go to your web browser and type in Google Maps and then click on the first link. Now, once you've opened Google Maps, you need to go to this section right here and search for businesses near you. It can be any business, it can be plumbers or carpenters or gyms. I'm going to search gyms near me. There are a lot of options under the gym section, but you need to choose a gym which is lower on this Google list so that we can help them optimize their Google listing. That will be more helpful. They'll be ready to pay a lot more money than the gyms that are on the top already. So I'm going to click on this listing right here. So if you look at this listing, you will see that they haven't even claimed their business. Now, claiming the business, anyone can claim another person's business. So this is not a very uh, good thing to not claim your business. Your business should always be claimed. And they do not have a website too. They also don't have some good videos and pictures to show. So what you can do is click a screenshot of this, call them, send them the screenshot on WhatsApp and explain them that hi, I can help you optimize your Google business and I can help you claim your business. I can help you develop a website for your business and I can visit your site and help you with the display of pictures and advertisements, etc. So if you don't know what you're working with, there is a very easy way you can do this. Just contact a couple of businesses, 10 to 15 to 20. Don't give up before that. If you contact these many businesses, one or two are going to agree that yes, I want to do this. Now, if you don't know how to claim a business or make a website, or this one you can do if you have a small camera, you can do this section on your own. But website and claim the business can be outsourced to fibre.com. You can charge anywhere from 200 to $300 from these businesses. Then go to Fiverr and search for Google Business Profile Optimization. Now, if you see this, I will optimize Google My Business to rank your GMB profile. I will optimize your Google Business profile. I'll create verification Google Business profile in GMP Maps. There are many people who will do this work. So just send them the screenshot of this and ask them, can you claim the business for this address and can you add a website? Well, website freelancers are separate. So just click on this option right here and send them a screenshot and ask them how much is it going to charge. And then you can also search, create a website. Now, creating a website, there are people who charge $25 or $5 too. There are many you can find options. They're $5 to $50, anywhere from $5 to $50. So, now total that you are spending on outsourcing the work will be anywhere from $15 to $40. And if you charge anywhere from $100 to $200 from the business, you still are left with $150 to $200 in your pocket, which is a very good amount to be left with. So, if you like this method, make sure to try it right now or whenever you have time because this method actually works. If you contact businesses, then only you're going to gain some experience on how to talk to people, how to convince people, and that is the way to go. Even if this business idea does not work, you're gaining some experience, because it's not important that whoever is watching this video and tries the business idea, everyone is going to be successful in this business idea. You have to skip to the next business idea and try that too. But the most important thing is that you are taking action and trying business ideas, not just watching videos, skipping and taking assuming that this business idea is not going to work. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and make sure to leave a like. Write down in the comment section what all videos you want me to make in the future, and I'll meet you in my next video.